wanted to go to Costa Rica to see the glass frogs and other wildlife. We drove from San Jose to Quibos. We stayed at the Los Altos Resort in Manuel Antonio. The room was very clean and spacious. We went to Kids Saving the Rainforest, an animal sanctuary and a home to many animals who can't be released back into the wild. Their goal is to rehabilitate the animals and release as many of them back into the wild.
This is where Coyote Peterson went to pit
Yeah,
stop.
see, this is it. This is the
Would
thing.
you like to take one, Nylan? Is it okay?
We're here with Kids Saving the Rainforest. We're here with these three lovely children, right where Coyote Peterson sat and did his Noni challenge. They've got some Noni, and they're all gonna give it a try. You guys ready?
3, 2, 1. Dig in.
Try it.
Taste it.
Ooh. How's it taste, Karma?
Not now. How does it taste, Nylan? What do you think? Tastes like rotten egg.
Oh. Do you guys know what Coyote Peterson says at the end of his show?
We brave, stay wild, and see our next one.
There you go. Good job.
This is pretty cool. Wow.
I also got to feed the marmoset a worm.
There you
Yeah,
go.
if you hold it up, you should be able to grab it through. Don't worry, your fingers should be fine.
Look at it.
I'm worried about.
Oh, I was going to use his hand.
You got it.
He's an expert.
Thank you. Sorry.
Wow, you just got to feed a marmoset just like Coyote Peterson.
We went to Manuel Antonio National Park and explored it on our own. It is home to white-faced capuchin monkeys, squirrel monkeys, howler monkeys, and spider monkeys. Baby squirrel monkeys. Cool. We went to see the beautiful Nylan Waterfall, which is located in a canyon. We took the truck up to the waterfalls instead of walking, which was a good thing because it was a very long trek. We saw lots of trouts and minnows in the water and swam up to the bottom of the fall. We explored Capo City and drove to Dominico.
Chino stand. All right.
We're by a lot of those.
Here, Mara, you film this on GoPro. I'm gonna film on this camera. All right, guys.
Fresh fruits from the street vendors were yummy. We drove through a cloud forest and spotted 2-toe and 3-toe sloths along the way. We went on a mangrove boat tour for bird viewing, and the captain of the boat just picked up the baby crocodile from the water.
Let's try to hold it. I won't let go.
Did you know crocodile hunting for sports is now banned in Costa Rica? We finally made it to C.R.A.R.C, to the Amphibian Research Center. We stayed there overnight and did a night forest tour. It is a family-owned eco-lodge, and the project is dedicated to the conservation of Costa Rican amphibians and their ecosystem.
want to get ready so I don't get late. Right there.
One of the best places you can visit are the rainforests of Central and South America. On this adventure, the Brave Wilderness team and I are back at the Costa Rican Amphibian Research Reserve, where once again, we will be working alongside world-renowned frog expert, Brian Kubick.
Smaller frogs we call dirt frogs. They're either the genus C.R.A.R.C or Pristimantes. They're what are known as our New World direct developing frogs. So direct development are frogs, they don't have a tadpole stage. So they lay their eggs like in a leaf litter or somewhere, and little tiny frogs hatch directly out. Whereas, for example, we saw tadpoles. Yeah. That's indirect development. Goes from indirectly from an embryonic stage to a larval stage and then to the adult form. So nearly half of our amphibian species here in Costa Rica are direct developers. All of our dirt frogs, and then there's a few other it's kind of other species. There's a few toad species that are direct developers. And the glass frog. This little dwarf glass frog, Coyote spinosa.
Right? Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. Coyote caught.
And then he caught the striped one.
Exactly. Yep. This is a little dwarf glass
The
frog.
striped one has the fully.
You can see the heart and stuff beating. Exactly. Yeah. This one's got the little like white belly. Exactly. It's got a little bit white on the belly.
Seeing the glass frogs was the highlight of my trip. Coyote Peterson influenced me to see the glass frogs.
This particular species, Hyalinobatrachium valeroy. Thorson.
Oh, it's so spotty.
It's called a reticulated glass frog. It's got that kind of like that net pattern, so known as like reticulation.
We ended the adventure with a view of a baby and mummy sloth going up to the top of the tree. We just made it in time to see the sloths because I think they were just getting a drink of water. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram to find out more about my trips. Don't forget to subscribe, or I won't be your friend. Just kidding, but you have to subscribe.